Hi, and welcome to the Big Ideas Art Studio. My name is Mrs. Mack, and I'm here to help you become the best artist ever. So today I'm going to teach you how to paint with washable markers. So let's get started.
All right, so we will need washable markers. This is important, so make sure somewhere on your marker it says washable. We really need them to react with water for our paintings to work. We'll need a cup of water, a paintbrush, and a nice clean white sheet of paper. So from here, I'm going to create whatever it is that I have in mind. So you're going to make your idea on this paper. Your idea can be whatever inspires you, your hobbies, your interests, it can be anything. Okay, so once I have everything drawn, I went ahead and outlined with color, right? So you'll notice that I didn't color anything in completely. I just I used my black marker to create a drawing, and then I used my colored markers to just kind of create an outline around that black. Now you don't have to start with black. I just like the look of black marker against some color. It makes it pop to me. It's not necessary. You can just start with a drawing with colored marker too. It's totally up to you. So I have my drawing, I've got my colored outlines, nothing is colored completely in. I'm going to let the water do the rest of the work for me. So I'll dip my paintbrush in water and kind of run it over my marker and kind of let that marker turn into a little pool of colored water. It almost looks like watercolor paints. And then I'll let that water kind of do the work. And I'll use my paintbrush to drag that watercolor into the rest of my white area that I want colored. And I will just continue this for the rest of my drawing.
Thank you so much for making art with me today. I would love to see what you've made. I'd love to see your ideas. So have a grown-up take a photo of your artwork and upload it to Instagram. Make sure to tag me at the Big Ideas Art Studio. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.